and welcomes everybody. We are Professional Management Academy that was established so as to provide the professional courses in the management field. In this course, we will explain Project Management Professional course and prepare the student for PMP examination that was designed by Project Management Institute, PMI. Project Management Professional is one of the most important courses that helps the manager, employees, owners, and others to manage their departments in the project management field in a professional way. In more than 50 years, the projects were managed without any references, just only the experience of the project managers before. In the governments of the projects before, they consulted some experienced manager for project management knowledge, and then they collected all of the information related to the projects and they planned the project and execute the project accordingly. They collected so many information regarding the duration of the project, cost of the project, quality of the project, and another information. And after executing the project, in the end of the project, they found some deviations from the planned information. In 1969, Project Management Institute was established as a non-profitable organization to make or to build a reference for project management. The team of this institute gathered all of the information regarding the project management and they established a guide and reference for the project management in a professional way. This guide has different areas that help the project manager to close all of the project gaps, such as project duration, scope, cost, quality, communication, risk, stakeholder, procurement, and any other information that help the project manager to cover all of the related information in his project or her project. Since 1969, Project Management Institute team develops and modifies all of the information regarding the project management, scope, cost, time, and other knowledge areas throughout surveys, questionnaires, meetings, and others. And they reflects all of the modified information into the Project Management Body of Knowledge, PM Book Guide. And this book is modified every 5 years, 4 years, depends on the modified information. This Project Management Institute provides some different services such as consultation, conferences, and references to the project management around the world. It also provides different certifications than Project Management Professional, such as Risk Management Professional, Portfolio Management Professional, and Program Management Professional, etc. In this course, we will explain and go deeply with the information regarding Project Management Professional. There are some prerequisites to get the Project Management Professional certificates. The first one is bachelor degree from a recognized university. The second prerequisite is having 4,500 hours experience in the project management field. The third prerequisite is attending 35 contact hour course in the project management professional, such as this course. The fourth one is making an exam through a prometric center around the world. And the fifth one, if you cannot achieve or you don't have a bachelor degree, you should have at least a college degree and 7,500 hours experience in the project management field. But if you don't have any prerequisites as discussed now, you can get certified associated project management certificate. But this level of certificate, it's not same as the level of project management professional certificate. Regarding the exam includes 200 questions. You have to solve all of them in 4 hours. All of the questions are multiple choice. Most of the questions are situational questions that explains the problem and you have to select the best answer. The degree of success depends on your information regarding project management processes. The exam is not easy, but it needs more works and more specific study so as to pass the exam. The most important idea is to know the book guide concepts and you have to solve the questions according to this book guide. The exam will be in English language and you can select another language to help you during the exam. But this selection should be during the application when you are making the application. If you see the screen of the exam, the upper side is English language and the lower side is another language what you selected before. And you have to answer the questions in English. I advise you to follow the English language. But if you want or you need any help, you can come back to your language down and translate the word or the sentence. And the selection should be in English. And you will get the results direct after finishing the exam from the Prometric Center. In your account, you will find the digital copy of your certificate and they will send you a hard copy from your certificate to PO Box that you registered in your account. This certificate is valid for 3 years. You have to renew this certificate every 3 years or you can do the exam again. But I don't advise to redo the exam because the exam is very difficult than renewing the certificate. The renewal of the certificate is easier than redoing or applying the exam by collecting 60 professional development unit. That means 60 hours of activities in the project management. For example, attending conference for project management, you can take courses for project management, or you can do any activities related to project management and collect 60 professional development units. That means 60 hours activities in the project management. The steps of registration so as to start making the application for PMP is, the first of everything, you have to make a free account in bmi.org. The second one, and I advise you to get the benefits from this membership from BMI. The membership can help you to get the discount of your examination and you can get the soft copy of BM book guide, and also you can attend the conferences that can be conducted by the Project Management Institute around the world. So you can get so many benefits from paying the cost of membership, and you can return back the cost of membership from the first time by getting the discount for the exam. After making the membership, you can go to certification and select Project Management Professional and start filling the application and the information inside the application, such as your bachelor degree, your experience, references, and information about 35 contact hour course. After completing filling the application, you have to submit this application and you will get the results of this application after 5 working days that you have to pay the cost for the exam. After that, you have to select the nearest prometric center regarding or around you, so as to select the date and time of making the exam. In some cases, the computer selects randomly some of people in order to provide the information about their application. For example, they will ask you to provide your certificates, bachelor degree of certificates, your certificate of attendance, and a lot of information in the application. And this selection is just for audits, and the computer select these people randomly without any references about any person. If the computer selected you to submit the documents for audit, then you cannot proceed with selecting the date and time of the exam until you send all of the information to Project Management Institute. After sending all of the information, then they will reply to you in order to proceed with the exam. This course is designed for Project Management Professional PMP certificate and prepares the student to pass the examination from first try. You can attend all of our lessons, solve all of the questions, and repeat the lessons anytime in 247. And if you want any help or support, you can contact us through ask your instructor in your course. And if you ask us, we will reply to you soon after you send the questions. Thank you. See you in the lessons.